Ito nag-start, Captain Catalino D. Losada.
The family of my husband was really pioneer in the swimming school.
Ito yung unang logo ng Losada. Ito yung lolo ko was the one who made this. And then, when my dad started teaching on his own, ito na yung naging logo niya. Ito. You have to focus on Bert Losada. Because ng lolo ko sabi, you cannot carry the name of the school outside the school. But yet, as we transition, yung kami na yung nagtuturo na, we made it already to a swim school. Yung Bert Losada Swim School. BLSS kasi, minsan nga bless. BLSS is bless. We wanna be a blessing to people. Because number one, it's the legacy of my grandfather. When he saw that it helps people, not only saving their lives. Whenever he sees a body of water, I wanna teach somebody there. Whenever he sees kids, I wanna touch the lives of these kids. I wanna teach them how to swim.
He has a big heart for everybody. Ang daming nalulunod, he feels very sad. Every individual for him is valuable. Every swimmer is a potential. He even gives away free lessons kung hindi kaya. No pay. And most of the swim team that he handles, in most of all the competitions, they come in number 1. I'm so proud of that.
This picture, basically this is a 1956 picture of my dad. And if you can see, he won a lot of medals in Japan. He was a swimmer, one of our country's top athletes. And he would have made it to the Olympics, but he missed it by a fraction of a second only.
He is pleasantly strict. Anthony, Angelo, all the three had to learn how to teach to swim.
I started teaching at the age of 11. I couldn't even reach the pool wherein my head was safely out of the water. Little that we know na we will be contributing pala to his swim school. He taught us the value of discipline and hard work. He also taught us the love for the sport. Can I make it 4?
Sure.
And making sure that your students are always safe. Up until we inherited the swim school from our dad, he started it with his own way of teaching. What Angelo and I wanted was to see what is out there. What are the best practices available all over the world? This gave birth to our affiliation with the United States Swim Schools Association and Ostswim, because we wanted to bring to the Philippines what the best practices are in terms of teaching, so that we make a program that's effective, that's guaranteed, and at the same time safe for our students. Losada Swimming School was recognized by the Department of Education. In fact, when you graduate from the Losada Swimming School, you get 1 unit of PE. And that's what my father's dream was at Drown Free Nation, is to have swimming available to everybody. Now, Angelo and I are driving towards that. We already talked to the Department of Education regarding this. Not only learn to swim, but developing swimmers for the country.
So the bigger dream talaga, our real dream, one of the dreams even my dad would want to have, is to be able to build an aquatic facility that will cater to all ability levels. We want to be able to serve this group of students, those with autism, Down syndrome, anyone with special needs. Not only special needs, disabilities, yung mga adults na hindi marunong lumangoy. We're doing it, but yet we want to bring it even to have more programs that caters to adaptive learning. Until now, it's still a dream. It's still posted in our wall na one day, there will be an aquatic facility that will be able to help more people across all.
This team that we have right now, it gives me inspiration to wake up every morning, because I know I have my BLSS family behind me. Even if I don't see them, but I know that they will take care of our students to make our students happy and their parents happy. And I know that they love what they're doing.
Why did you leave so soon? Ang dami mong tinulungan, ang dami mong matutulungan pa, and I can't do this alone. Sabi niya sa akin, nandyan ang swim school. You're there, your brother's there, your mom is there. I've already set up, continue what I've started.
Sabihin ko sa kanya, Pa, how do you keep the fire burning? Because, I'm only human and there I have down times. When looking back, when I look at my dad, I don't see him with any downtime. Lagi siyang energetic, lagi siyang passionate, lagi siyang, halika, magturo na tayo. He would never stop dreaming of how his swim school will be 10, 20 years from now.
Sana nakita ni Papa lahat ito ngayon. And yung dream niya has now become a reality.
Well, I would tell him that he has trained his children well, and I'm happy with them.
Well, to the next generation, I would say it's about loving what you do. Most importantly, it is about quality.
You fail, you learn, tayo ulit. Sundan mo lang the way you should do it. Basta tuloy-tuloy lang.